assessment asks us to show the mechanism of the tautomerization under acidic conditions. The first step of this mechanism takes a lone pair on oxygen, and oxygen will be protonated by H3O+. This will form a protonated oxygen intermediate. The carbonyl will have a new hydrogen and a positive charge. This positive charged oxygen can be stabilized by resonance. We can break the carbon-oxygen double bond. That puts the positive charge on carbon. And this allows us to complete the tautomerization by removing an alpha proton. We can remove that alpha proton with water. Water acts as a base to remove that proton and form the double bond between the two carbon atoms. This forms our enol intermediate. This is the mechanism for the tautomerization under acidic conditions.